welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Now if you guys have a Ford vehicle, guys, and you have a misfire on one cylinder and you cannot fix that, okay, you put ignition coils, spark plugs, nothing fixes it, stay with us, guys, we'll demonstrate what's happening. We're talking now, even if you have a Ford F150, F250, guys, any Ford that use that kind of computer, and we're going to show you which engine computer, guys. Okay, this one right here. It's on Ford Edge, but practically the engine management is the same. It's the same computer, and there might be different numbers, but the layout is the same, the one with the 3 plugs. If you have the V6 or V8 and you have a misfire on one cylinder, guys, and you cannot take care of it, let's say we have a misfire on cylinder number 1, that's our problem, and we put a new ignition coil and the coil keeps burning or not working at all, then we switch coils from the front to the back, still the same thing, doesn't fix the problem. So we're going to go ahead, start the car now, show you how the engine vibrates, misfiring, and not even engine light on. Sometimes you may get engine light on, okay, but not always. And now when the engine gets a little bit warmer and the choke is not activated and the RPMs drop, you're going to notice, guys, okay, that engine will start vibrating. Okay, it will start vibrating really bad, and we're going to show you that in just a second. Okay, the RPM started dropping, and check out the engine, guys. You can definitely see that we have a misfire now. So even if you guys have Ford F150, F250 with the gas engine, what is causing that now, guys? Okay, it is the engine computer, guys. In most cases, not always. It could be bad wiring, it could be a few things, but a weak spot on those is the engine computer. And we found a guy that repairs those. Okay, nothing sponsored here. We're going to actually take our ECU, the engine management computer, we're going to send it to him, see if he can repair it, put it together, and see if that takes care of the problem. And if all that works, I'm going to provide you the details, guys, so you know how to fix yours for cheaper. Our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. We're making more than 200 videos on every car we get, just so we can save you guys money. So all we need in return, please subscribe, guys. That's our mission. So we're going to go ahead, remove the computer, and see if that fixes the problem now. So we have the car battery, guys, disconnected. Okay, you have to disconnect it. We have the computer here. We received the computer from the shop. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. They rebuilt it, guys. Okay, you can see around the things we have silicone, everything sealed, so seems like they opened it. They said that they had to replace a coil driver inside, have the warranty stickers installed now. What we'll do, guys, okay, we're going to plug it in, connect it, and after you're done, we're going to connect our car battery, but hopefully that fixes our problem. Why? Because otherwise we have to buy new ECU, have it programmed, program the keys. That's very expensive, guys, very expensive. Perfect. Okay, we need to go ahead, connect our wires now. Amazing. So stay with us, we'll connect the car battery, we're going to go inside, start it, and let's hope that everything's fine now. So I'm, guys, inside the vehicle now. I'm going to fire it up. Okay, no engine light on so far. Okay, let me rev it up. Okay, oh, that sounds amazing. Like no misfire at all. Let me go on the outside. Okay, let's check if the engine is stable and we don't have any vibrations. I didn't feel anything in the cabin. And you can see, guys, the engine sounds amazing and it doesn't vibrate at all. So thank you, guys, for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. That's a common problem on those. Hopefully we can save you some money, and see you guys next time.